us on the Disneyland Railroad. For a safe ride, remember to stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please, watch your kids. ¿Qué tal, amigos? Y bienvenidos a bordo. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. As we steam on through Fantasyland, you may want to take one more look at the majestic Matterhorn Mountain and the easiest route you've ever seen. It's a small world. It's the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere. Blinded below us is the Autopia, where drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of a car, and no license is required. If you ever wanted to become an astronaut, then you might want to stop at Space Mountain and Star Tours, where they got some newfangled
In downtown Disney, just adjacent to our resort hotel. So for yourself for the Autopia, thoughts on your Dr. Blaster, the Afro Orbiter, Finding Nemo's The Freight Voyage, Captain Neo's The Tribute starring Michael Jackson and Angelica Houston, Space Mountain, Interventions, and Star Tours, the adventures continue. If you're leaving us here, remain seated until the train makes a complete.
Dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.